In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up social media icons in a card page. First, head to card.so and log into your account. You'll need to be on your dashboard where all your sites are listed. If you're already signed in, you'll land there automatically. Make sure you know which site you want to update and have your social profiles handy so you can link them correctly later. That little bit of prep keeps everything smooth. On your dashboard, find the site you want to edit and click the pencil icon. That's the edit button, and it opens the site in the card builder. You'll see your page layout and the panel where you control elements, styles, and settings. Take a quick look at your layout and decide roughly where you'd like your social icons to live. Usually the header, footer, or a contact section works best. Inside the builder, click Add to insert a new element. From the menu that appears, choose Icons. This creates an icon group on your page. You can drag it into position later, but for now, focus on configuring it. The icons element keeps everything consistent in size and spacing so your design looks clean and intentional. With the icons element selected, look for the drop-down arrow that lets you pick platforms. Click it and choose the social media icons you want to display. You'll see familiar options like Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and more. Add only the platforms you actively use. Fewer, well-chosen icons make navigation clearer. You can adjust order by selecting an icon and moving it within the list, and you can tweak size, spacing, and style to match your page's look. If you want to include more icons, click Add again within the icon settings and repeat the same process to include each platform you need. Keep a consistent visual style so the row feels cohesive. As you add them, think about the order of importance. Place the profiles you use most often first so visitors can find them quickly. Finally, add the respective URL address to each icon so users are redirected when they click. There's a field for the link beside each icon. Paste the full URL, including HTTPS. Double-check handles, especially if your usernames differ across platforms. Clean, direct links help users reach you without confusion. If a platform isn't ready or you don't want to share it publicly, simply leave that icon out for now. That's it. You've added social media icons to your card page, chosen the platforms you want, and connected each one to the correct URL so visitors can find you instantly.